I've been very busy inventing and problem solving, but I didn't want another week to fly by without giving you something to chew on. So this is a quick update. With the new air conditioner in place, we had to make sure the Pleasureway would fit through the drive-in door. Well, it fit, just barely. But clearance is clearance, right? I finished the rough-in wiring in both vans. It takes a bit of forethought and planning to ensure the wire runs play nice with the other components and modules. And finally, the long-awaited arrival of the new Coleman Ndq Air Conditioners. These became all the rage after James and Stephanie installed one in their Lance. From what my distributor told me, these may be the only 3 available on the market right now. A van colleague of mine, that's right, I have colleagues, sent me a sample of a brilliant idea. This looks like a 3D printed extrusion. We could call it 8021. But alas, it didn't pass my light hammer test. The dry fit on the prime tongue and groove ceiling went well. It looks good. Next step, 3 or 4 top coats, sprayed. I'll show you that process in the next video. Sinks in boats and RVs have always given me pause. Why so small? Well, I've taken that to heart and continue to find and fit the biggest sinks allowed by law. Wall-to-wall sink, and 10 inches deep. A loving couple could take a candlelight soak in here. Oh, I wanted to clear up a bit of confusion. These steps are a shop fixture, meant to easily and safely enter and exit the vans while they're being built. I do have some nice ideas how to mount a fold-out set of stairs in a van, but this is not that. The finished floors also went in the vans this week. For their ProMaster, Sam and Sharon chose the same floor I installed in van number 1. I had forgotten how much I love this floor. Mr. and Mrs. Sprinter, following the sailboat motif, went with a very high quality vinyl rendition of a teak and holly sole. Very nice. With all those lines, you better know what you're doing when you install this one. Hats off to Alex and Ron for doing a beautiful job. When we heard this old timer was being put out to pasture, we stepped in. Knowing the quality of the older machinery, we figured we could dedicate this old timer to one specific task and let him continue his life with a purpose. The end.